Give a man a fish, and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man a fish, and he'll never go hungry again. A lot of us has heard this saying in our lives because it shows that building a skill is way more important than getting something right away. And that is what we're here to do. Most of the people that are online here trying to show people how to make money online are here for a specific reason. And that is not to make money. That is to teach you how to be successful online. We have money coming in on several different streams. We're not here to get you to give us money and you make a lot of money off of that. That's not why we're here. Those are called gurus, and those people are snakes, and they try to get you to buy their specific thing for thousands and thousands of dollars, and you get nothing out of it. Because they know that there are a lot of people out there looking to make a quick, easy buck. So what I'm telling you is that I'm here to teach you to fish. And if you want to fish and be financially free the rest of your life, follow me. Learn from everything that I do and use it. Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for prospects, leads, or anything like that. I can only help you get those things. I can't give you those things, and nobody else can either. You have to work for it. There's no such thing as free money. There's no such thing as free things. You have to work for it every single time. And if you keep trying to get these fast, easy, quick things, you're going to realize that you have absolutely nothing. So, anybody want to go fishing? Let me teach you.